parrot. Spell my name with me. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Parrot. Hello, kids. I'm a parrot. I can mimic sounds and even talk like you. I love eating fruits and nuts, and I come in many bright colors like green, blue, and red. C for crow. Spell my name with me. C-R-O-W, crow, crow. Hi there. I'm a crow. I'm super smart and love shiny things. You can often see me in big groups called murders. My feathers are all black, and I have a loud caw. P for pigeon. Spell my name with me. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon, pigeon. Greetings. I'm a pigeon. You can find me in cities and parks. I'm famous for my homing ability, which means I can find my way home from very far away. My feathers are usually gray with hints of green and purple. E for eagle. Spell my name with me. E-A-G-L-E, eagle, eagle. Hello. I'm an eagle. I have sharp eyes and can fly very high. I love soaring in the sky and hunting for fish and small animals. I am strong and powerful with big wings. D for duck. Spell my name with me. D-U-C-K, duck, duck. Quack, quack. I'm a duck. I love swimming in ponds and lakes. My webbed feet help me paddle, and I have waterproof feathers. I also love to eat plants and small insects. P for peacock. Spell my name with me. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock, peacock. Hello, everyone. I'm a peacock. I have beautiful, colorful feathers with eye-like patterns. I spread my tail to show off these feathers, especially when I want to impress the peahens. R for rooster. Spell my name with me. R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster, rooster. Hi, kids. I'm a rooster. I crow in the morning to wake everyone up. I have bright, colorful feathers and a red comb on my head. I look after my hens and chicks. O for owl. Spell my name with me. O-W-L, owl, owl. Hoo, hoo. I'm an owl. I can see well in the dark and turn my head almost all the way around. I like to hunt at night and eat small animals like mice. My feathers are very soft, so I can fly silently. S for sparrow. Spell my name with me. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow, sparrow. Chirp, chirp. I'm a sparrow. You can see me around your homes and gardens. I'm small and brown, and I love to eat seeds and crumbs. I make nests in buildings and trees.